What do the lats do? Internal rotation. Okay. Extension, adduction, and internal rotation. So what am I going to do? External rotation. You guys are good. And flexion. So it's going to look like this.
Make sure the knees.
Whatever it does, you go the opposite. So when I say extra, I'm not going to go full extra. I'm just going to rotate his hands out. I'm going to lift them up and bring them right up. Put that table here. Okay. Normally what should happen is there should be no gap between your arm and the table. Unfortunately, John does not reach that goal. So I can measure how much, I can measure two angles here. I can measure this full angle, or easier is to measure this angle at the shoulder. Okay, so I can measure that. If you're so inclined, you can take the lateral, the medial upper condyle to the table. You can measure that vertical distance. Again, lots of choices here to measure that. Don't stretch, you need to stretch.
What about make sure knees are flexed? Too.
Yeah, knees are flexed. Why is it important to have knees flexed?
So there's a tightness on the bottom.
Bottom half, and we call that bottom half part of that.
Lumbar.
You're getting closer more.
Thoracolumbar fascia.
Oh yes, thoracolumbar fascia. Yes, that diamond shaped portion of the back. So we want to take tension off that so we get the full excursion of the latch, which does blend in with that. And John's just hanging out here. We got a lot of work to do here. What other muscle could be tight there? Rhomboids could, but why? Because of what's happening at the scapula. To describe what's happening at the scapula.
It's being.
So you got the upper rotation, lateral slide, elevation of the scapula. So that could be eliminated because it does downward rotation with that. Okay. Serratus.